Let's have a look at how to compress videos completely for free, without any login or registration. First, head over to the website handbrake.fr. Handbrake is an amazing open source video transcoder that you can use to compress your videos completely for free and very efficiently. To download Handbrake, click on the red button right here. This works on both Mac and PC, so don't worry about that. Once downloaded, open up Handbrake. Next, in the upper left corner of the screen, click on Open Source. And select the video that you would like to compress. We will go with this video right here, which is currently about 300 megabytes. Once you have selected the desired video, click on Open. Now for the format here, you will typically want to leave that as an MP4. Then also make sure to click on the option Web Optimized. Then on top where it says Preset right here, click on it, and then under General, choose one of these presets. If you want to heavily compress your video, I recommend you to go with one of these very fast presets right here. If you don't want to lose a lot of quality in your video, then you should take one of the presets here that uses the same resolution as your original video. So if your video is in 1080p resolution, then here you also want to choose 1080p. If you don't care too much about the resolution, I would also recommend you to go with 1080p here instead of 4K, for example, because 4K videos generally have a very big file size. So let's go with the very fast 1080p 30 right here. So I click on that, and then next go to the video tab right here. And for the frame rate, select same as source and change it to constant frame rate. Once you've done that, you're ready to go. You can now compress your video so that it will have a very small file size, and you can then easily send this video by email, for example, or you can use it on social media, or maybe send it via WhatsApp or Telegram. To start the process, on top click on Start. In the lower left corner of the screen, you will then see the progress of the compression. And you're all done now. Here in the lower right corner, you actually see the path where the video has been saved. If in the future you would like to change that, you can always click on Browse here and change the path. Now let's compare our two videos real quick. On the left side you can see the original video file, which was close to 300 megabytes. Our compressed version here on the right side is only 20.2 megabytes big. So we reduced the file size considerably. And now let's preview these videos for a second. Let's start with the original video.
I got this really cool pirate logo, but how can I actually...
And now let's have a look at the compressed video.
Hey mate, I got this really cool pirate logo, but how can I actually save it?
And as you can see, there's barely any difference in quality. And that's it guys, this is the best way to compress videos for free. No registration, no login, no waste of time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.